Hey everyone, Tyler here. So in this video, I'm going to show you an unboxing I did a few weeks ago of some medals that I bought back in December from the US Mint. Did you know the US Mint sells bronze medals? They do. They look pretty cool. You'll see that in a minute. So I want to show you that, and then in this video I'm also going to jump back to this site and show you what changed in the new year, which I found pretty shocking. This is a piece metal replica that I had as a kid, and it's gotten a little bit of wear, and I found out that the US Mint is still selling these, so I got a brand new one just to compare how they look. So that's copper. And here, from the US Mint, in a giant box, because they only have giant boxes, we got us a new one. So let's put the new one next to it. Let's get it out of the plastic. Brand new one. You want to try and hold that on the sides?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it up to the camera. And if you compare that to my older one, it's kind of cool to see how they change over time. And I assume these are basically the same mintage. You know what? I don't think they are. Look at the detail on his cuff. Very different level of detail. I think this is a cheaper souvenir one from a souvenir shop, and this is a more minted real one. And this costs $6 from the mint. This probably just cost a couple bucks, who knows when, maybe even just $1. So I don't think these are the same coin now that we look at them side by side. What do you think, Clay?
Yes.
You agree?
This one looks more like a little bit of a different color.
Yeah, a little bit of a different color, and then flip it over again. And look at his sleeves. Look how much better they look on the new one.
They have more detail on the inside than just the outline.
They do. And let's look at the other two copper coins I got. So I got copper medals. And this was fun because the mint had lots of different ones, so I just got two that I thought were interesting. So here you go, Claire. Why don't you hold that one up to the camera? There you go. So that says American Fighter Aces, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. And can you flip that over? And then rotate it around so it's sitting up straight. There you go. That's good, so we can see.
There's planes on it.
Yes, let's bring it up a little more. Their aggressiveness. 2014 Act of Congress. So that's a good looking copper coin.
It's really, really shiny.
It is, yeah. And let's look at this last one. You want to hold that one? This one says Doolittle Tokyo Raiders. And then we flip it over. And it says 17th Squadron or Bombardment Group. And there you have the symbols from that group. So which is your favorite coin, Clay?
From these four?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, I like that one too. It's got the aircraft carrier. It's a pretty good one. Well, awesome. All right, so after I unboxed those, I went back to the US Mint site to look around more, and I couldn't believe my eyes. Look at what happened to the prices. $160 now. This was $40 before for a 3-inch bronze, and at the time I thought 40 was too much. And those $7, I think it was $6.95, 1.5 inch, $20 now. I just don't see myself or many collectors buying these anymore, which is a shame because they're beautiful. And I don't know why they tripled the price and in some cases quadrupled or quintupled the price here. I can only assume they expect to sell a lot less, and that's part of their plan. When you can buy a 5-ounce silver coin for just as much, you're going to go for silver, not bronze. Same with these 1.5 inches. For $5-6 more, you can get silver. So, yeah, fun while it lasted. Maybe in the aftermarket you can pick them up cheaper. Well, let me know what you think about this. If you've seen any other interesting price changes on the US Mint site. The silver went up a bit too, the silver medals and other things. So I'll show you here, if we look at the product schedule, there's some really cool stuff coming up tomorrow. We've got the Krista medal. She's the teacher who died in the tragic Challenger crash in 1986. Oh, there's the price. They have it now. So they didn't reach the price from last year. That's good. I guess silver hasn't increased either. So it looks like the proof is $74. Goes on sale tomorrow. And the uncirculated is probably a few dollars less. Yep, $69 for the uncirculated. So I plan on picking up one of these. I watched the that Challenger special on Netflix. It's just a huge tragedy. No other way around it. And so I think that's very respectful that they're honoring her on a coin. And it looks like we don't have the image, but it's still scheduled for the 28th. National Law Enforcement Memorial and Museum coins. We've got a $5 gold coin coming out. And we've got a silver proof as well. That will be $74. Don't know where the images went, but hopefully they have them up by tomorrow. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed my video. Drop a comment if you'd like, if you have any questions, or if you know any more about the mints rollout, or you have any other gripes about them. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.